making Hailstone Biscuits!
Hey! 200 grams of butter in a bowl.
Hello, Reese Carter here, and today I am going to melt the butter into 200 grams.
200 grams, that's right.
For Catcote Futures. We've got 50 grams so far. So cut your knife like this and put it in a bowl till it gets to 200. 85 grams.
Yep, a bit more.
So a bit more, yeah.
I think that'll be perfect.
199, yep.
Perfect.
I have finished melting the butter for you all. Reese.
My friend Chloe is using the switch to melt the butter.
And it's maybe 200 grams of sugar.
Come on, Helen, a bit more.
Put the flour in the bowl.
Good lad.
Put it in the bowl.
Fantastic.
That is fantastic, Helen.
I'm putting a teaspoon of vanilla extract in the bowl.
It's enough.
Whoops.
Well done.
Whoops.
Put the sugar into a mixing bowl.
Mix well.
Peter, can you crack an egg into the bowl, please?
I would love to. Reese.
Into the bowl.
Oh, it's crackers.
It's crackers.
Now what?
And now use your hand
To do.
kneading. Use your hand again. They can make a bread.
You like making
I like
bread?
making bread, it is.
Right.
That's spot on, that, Reese. Yeah.
It is, Reese, it's great.
It's like a bakery. It's a bakery class today.
It's like a great British bake.
It's just a great British shake-off.
Right, okay, look, we've got our basic biscuit recipe now.
Basic biscuit recipe. I am going to grease the baking tray, baby!
Hey.
Here I am, greasing the baking tray. I'm going to clean it up for you all to be happy.
Well done there.
Greasing tray, baby!
I'm going to grease this baking tray.
Grease the baking tray, baby!
Grease it, baby!
Back in that Monday.
Grease.
More yummy. Get in a bowl and flat out.
Put the Hailstone into the biscuits.
Just done.
Me and Caitlin are going to put the biscuits in for 10 to 20 minutes.
Hello guys, this is what your biscuits will look like. Beautiful.
See you next week on Catcote Cooks. Bye.
Cooks.
See you next week on Catcote Cooks. Bye.
Cooks.